Hi everyone, it's Lorelei from Wedding Cakes for You. In this video, I'm sharing a retro wedding cake. This was for a family member's 50th wedding anniversary. I was honored to be the flower girl and equally as honored to make this special anniversary cake for them 50 years later. The cake starts with a 12-inch, 3-layer white chocolate raspberry cake, which you can find in my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelei, Step by Step. Here I'm using an icing tip to help me to frost the cakes. I love this way of applying the buttercream. Give it a try if you haven't already. It really helps to apply it evenly and saves your shoulders from overuse. You can always comb the top for a simple way to even out the icing on top like I'm doing here. The 6-inch top tier is on an 8-inch plate which will be fitted onto 4 7-inch pillars. Mark the top with an 8-inch plate so you will see where the pillars go. Push the pillars in as straight as you can. This one here needed adjusting. Not bad. This is Italian meringue buttercream, and you can literally use this for everything from filling the cakes, frosting the cakes, and decorating your cakes. I use it for piping flowers. It's beautiful buttercream. If you'd like a copy of my top 5 buttercream recipes, you can go to weddingcakesforyou.com and grab your copy. I'll put the link below and I'll put the link in the video for you. Wedding Cakes for You website, books, and video provide aspiring bakers with the recipes and steps for building skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and cherished memories. Thanks for watching and have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.